Good morning, everyone. I am here with a little exclusive vegan haul. Usually, when I go grocery shopping, I buy things for myself and my husband. Today was strictly vegan items. So, we'll start with the Light Life products, as there is an abundance of them here. Metro's flyer this week. It says buy one for $1.99 and get the second one for free. So generally, Light Life products, I believe, are $6 to $7 each. So they're on sale this week for $1.99, just the sausages. So the breakfast links and their sausages. So they're on sale for $1.99, and then you get the second one for free. So just $1.99 is a fantastic deal, but then to get the second for free is even better. So I called them in advance just to make sure they had them so I didn't waste time heading over, and they did. And they had a ton of them, actually. So I grabbed 10 just to stock up in my freezer. So I grabbed 2 breakfast links, a few of the Italian variety, a couple of the bratwurst, and a couple more Italians here. So yeah, $1.99, second one free. So it ended up being $9.95 for 10 of them. And then, so yeah, technically you paid $9.95 for 5, and then you got the other 5 for free. They are also carrying the Just Egg product. So I had been purchasing this at another discounted grocery store for $7.99, and these were on sale for $6.99 at Metro. So I grabbed one. So the total at Metro ended up being $16.94. I used $10 worth of air miles that I had from previous hauls. Actually, it was from my Charmin haul that I basically got the toilet paper for free, and I ended up getting a ton of air miles. So I used $10 towards the total. And then I had, I have a bunch of like gift cards that I've had from like the Kellogg's or the Pampers offer. So I had a gift card of $10. So I used $6.94 worth from that card. So I ended up paying nothing for the Light Life products and the Just Egg, actually. You can hear the baby crying in the back. And then I quickly ran over to No Frills because we don't have any more mushrooms right now. So I got the 454 gram packages. They are $3.27 per package. And when you buy 4, you get 4,000 points back. So that's the equivalent of $4. But I also had a personal offer on my card, which was 200 points for every dollar spent. So in total, the mushrooms came up to $13.08. But because I got 4,000 points from the in-store offer and then 2,600 points for my personal offer, I ended up paying $1.62 per package instead of $3.27. So that is my entire haul here. I'm going to quickly I've completely forgot. I'm going to quickly add up how much I spent in total and what the savings were. And then before tax, before PC points, and then afterwards. But yeah, honestly, run over to Metro and grab these Light Life products. I love Light Life in general. I've never actually used their sausages, so I am excited. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye. Hey guys, so I am here with the final numbers for everything. So with everything not on sale, no PC points used, nothing, the total for all of this would have been $99.97. Because I received the PC points for the mushrooms, and because these guys were on sale and this one was $1 off, I ended up paying $23.42 out of pocket. Technically I paid way less than that, but because I used $10 worth of air miles for this and $6.94 worth of a gift card for this, for the Light Life things, these are gift cards and air miles that I've already accounted for in my previous hauls. So I can't obviously account them twice because I'm not making money off of them twice, just the one time. So total $23.42 for this, original $99.97. Crazy. Bye guys.